So as a part of this course, I've added a 2000 prompts repository for ChatGPT and Bard, and there are various sections under which you can find multiple prompts. So if I go to content writing, this will specifically give you all the prompts that you need for your content writing work. Whether it's, for instance, if you're looking for creating content, you can use this powerful prompt that will create headings, SEO optimized articles with FAQ section for a 2000 word uh, article, and it provides specific instructions and information that you can use to build up these prompts. Similarly, there are various sections covered here, whether you're creating content for a website, whether you're coding and programming, or if you're working with Midjourney AI art, or if you just want to create social media content such as podcast and YouTube video scripts, or Facebook ads copy, Google ads copy. All of these prompts are available here. Of course, you cannot just copy paste them. You will have to optimize them for your own personal needs, but it provides a very good starting point for you to work through. Similarly, there are a lot of other sections such as writing emails, whether it's professional or personal, or for specific marketing campaigns and sales funnels, writing ebooks, specifically if you're interested in creating your own digital products and selling them on Etsy and Amazon, career advancement if you want to update your resume and cover letters, podcast writing, students, prompts specifically designed for students, researchers, and teachers. Prompts if you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner and you want to figure out how to best use LLM models to improve your business, to understand different gaps, to learn something new. That's where this section helps you. Similarly, a separate section for freelancers, for business documentation, for some of the legal documents that you can write by yourself using LLMs. A small coverage of the Chrome extensions that can be powerful, although plugins are in now, so extensions role is not that viable, but some of these extensions are really powerful, so I've also added a few here. And lastly, I provide references to where I got these prompts from. Most of these are actually created by me, but if I found a prompt online from a different resource that I really liked, I cited them and included them in the book. So a quick review of the prompt guide. In the next lecture, you'll see the resources link through which you can download it.